CapCut isn't officially available in India. So in this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step method to install CapCut on a PC using a VPN. Open up new tab and search VPN Gate and select the vpngate.net. Scroll down the lowest ping in the top as you can see. Just copy this host name, then go to search menu and type VPN. Click on open the VPN settings. Select add VPN. In connection name, you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it for video and paste the host name we copied and VPN type. Set this to secure socket tunneling and username. Go back to the site, scroll up. You can able to see username and password. VPN. Type the password and username. Then select save option. Once you save this VPN, just close stuff here. Click on this network icon and you can able to see VPN. If you doesn't, then use this down arrow. You will see in this menu. Select the VPN and it will start connecting. Once the VPN is connected, just go back to the site where you get not found. If you doesn't know how to do that, search CapCut, select the official site, select the download for free option. Once it download done, click on open it, select yes option. When the installation starts, you need to turn off the VPN. Once this opens up, select agree and continue. Select new project. Go to effects. So you can see network error. Click to try again. To fix this problem, just close stuff here. Select this icon and select this right arrow in VPN and connect to the VPN. Once the VPN is connected, open the CapCut. Now you can select this new project, go to effects. As you can see, everything load. And that's how you can fix this error, guys. Now you can use the effects just by drag and drop in the timeline. To start editing, go to media and select import. Select the video clip you want to start editing. Once you select that, select open, drag and drop in timeline. Now you can start editing a web video, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.